Hi everyone. Hey, I'm glad to be back and I'm glad to give another lesson. And if you don't know, these lessons are from a book that we call African Fingerstyle for Beginners. So it's a very interesting book. You should check it out. And by the way, my name is MOISE Archipe, and you can find me as well on YouTube, Instagram, wherever you want, just by tapping MOISE Archipe. I also give other content on my personal YouTube channel. But anyway, what we're here today is for a lesson, and in today's lesson we are still trying to master the picking patterns and fingerstyle. So we are going to add as well a new chord. It's not really new if you have been watching the previous videos. It's the G7. Okay, right, so let's get back to work. So what we are looking for, we want to sound like this. Right, so it's very simple. So what we are doing is it's very simple. So when we are playing on the C, we are actually doing the A string, and then we pick the B string, the G string, the B string, and the E string. All of the three of them at the same time. Alright? So I do. And then after picking, I go back to the A string. So it's... Alright? And after the A string, I go to the G string. Okay, then I go to F. So for F, I start right away with two notes. The D string and the G string at the same time, like this. Okay, so it's better to already hold the F like this. So because I'm just playing the F but with pickings, so it's better to hold already the F, so it's gonna be much more easier. Okay, so I hold the D and the G string like this at the same time, and then I hold the B and the B string and the E string at the same time, so it's alright. Then I'll wait for like 2 beats. I will 1, 2, then I go to F, the notes on the D string. Okay, then I go to the G string, the G chord, the G7 chord. So what I do is I play the E string, the low E string, and then I go to the high E string, and then I go to the B string, and then I go back to the E string. Sorry. Then I go back again to F with the same movement we did previously. And we are done for today. I really hope you really enjoy the lessons, and if you really do, please let me know in the comment, and don't forget to share with other people and subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Instagram at Juba Music, and see you next time. Bye.